animal sounds with Maisie. What noise does a sheep make? Very good. What noise does a piggy make? What noise does a duck make? Very good. What noise does a horse make? Very good. What noise does a donkey make? Oh, very good. What noise does a owl make? Tweet, tweet. What noise does a cow make? What noise does a chicken make? Very good. What noise does a mouse make? Little mouse. What noise does a pussycat make? Oh, pussycat. What noise does a doggy make? What noise does a meerkat make? What noise does a buzzy bee make? What noise does a snake make? Oh, very good. What noise does a rabbit make? Very good. What noise does a tiger make? What noise does a camel make? Oh, goodness. What noise does a gruffalo make? Oh, gruffalo. And what noise does Max make? Oh, Max. Hello, Max. Here he is. Say bye-bye.